The next topic is law of conservation of energy. According to this law, the energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be converted from one form to other form. Now, expression for the law of conservation of energy to show that total energy remain constant. Let us consider this is the position of a ground. Object is at the point A initially. We have to find at point A. Total height is h. Force is equal to the weight of the body. So, gravitational potential energy is mgh. At the point A, object is at rest, so its velocity will be 0. So we can say kinetic energy is 0. So total energy is gravitational potential energy plus kinetic energy. So we can write here mgh plus 0. So total energy will be mgh. Now the object is moving from point A to point B downward. Distance is x. At the point A, initial velocity is 0. So at point B, distance covered is x according to third equation of motion, v square minus u square, that is 2gx. U is 0, v square will be 2gx. Kinetic energy half mv square, half into mv square is 2gx, so it is mgx. Now potential energy is from the ground, the height is h minus x. So potential will be mg into h minus x. So it is mgh minus mgx. So total energy is kinetic plus potential, mgx plus mgh minus mgx. It is 0. So total energy will be mgh. At the point A, total energy is mgh. At the point B, we have find total energy is mgh. To find the total energy at the point C when the object reach on the ground. So at point C, v square minus u square 2gh, u is 0, v square is 2gh, kinetic energy is half mv square, half into m, v square is 2gh. So kinetic energy will be mgh. Now potential energy is 0 because object is at the ground. Total energy will be kinetic plus potential, mgh plus 0. So total energy will be mgh. Now from this expression we have find that total energy at the point A is equal to total energy at the point B is equal to total energy at the point C, and this is equal to mgh.